Hello friends, good morning. I am Professor M.H. Annaya from Bangalore, Karnataka. Friends, in today's video, we are going to work out a good problem on the projection of lines, wherein in the question, the position of or the locus of both the ends A and B of a line which is measuring 90 millimeter are given in the question. And friends, we are required to find out the parameters like the angle made by the line with the HP, the angle made by the line with the VP, and also what is the distance between end projectors. Friends, we will go through the problem slowly, and whatever the data that is given in the question, we will implement that in the question. See friends, question reads like this. A line AB 90 millimeter long. That is, there is a line AB which measures 90 millimeter and has its end A 20 above HP. Friends, remember, we are following the first angle projection, and any end or any point above HP is seen above the XY line, and whatever the distance the point is from VP, that is seen in the top view below the XY line. So friends, now let us start with the point A, that is 20 above HP. Friends, I will just write down a line here and mark A dash and A. So A dash is the front view of that line, which is at a distance of 20 above HP. Slowly you work out this. Please grasp all the points I tell you. And it is 15 in front of VP. So in front of VP is seen below this XY line, that is at a distance of 15 millimeter, and this point is the top view of the end A. So we have utilized this data. Similarly, friends, the end B is 50 above HP. So this is 50 above HP like our NDA. So I am going to draw a line here parallel to XY at a distance of 50 above HP. And on this line, which is called the locus of the end B, we are going to get B dash and B1 dash. Now friends, the same end is 40 in front of VP. So say this is 40 in front of VP. So we call this distance, this 40 This is the locus of the end B. This is also locus of the end B. Here you have got these two lines which represent the loci of the end capital A of the line AB. Now friends, we have utilized all the data excepting the true length of the line. So using that true length of the line, we should be able to complete the projections and obtain totally four lines. One is for the front view, the second for the top view, true length in the front view, and true length in the top view. So all these four we should get. Friends, the true length is represented by, for a line AB, A dash B1 dash, which is equal to AB1, which is equal to true length, and that is given to be 90 Please follow carefully. And here friends, B dash, we got A dash. A dash B1 dash represents the true length of the line. Now we have the locus of the end B on which B dash and B1 dash will lie. So we know the true length of the line. We will take A dash as the center and true length 90 millimeter as the radius and strike an arc to cut the locus of this point here at the point B1 dash. Friends, this is the true length of the line, that is equal to 90 I think you are following it very clearly. Friends, once you have this true length, you can measure what is the angle made by the line, that is theta, with the HP. That can be found out. That is first part A of that. Friends, true length remains the same. On the same line, you have got the point A. You can obtain B1, the end of the line B, on the locus of this. So how to obtain that, friend? Taking A as center, AB1 equal to 90 millimeter, that is 90 millimeter as radius. You can draw another line here and join that line, that point to this. And friends, this will give you B1, and AB1 represents the true length of the line, which is already given, that is equal to 90 millimeter. So we have the true length in the front view, true length in the top view. So we have got two lines, and we are left with getting two more lines, that is A dash B dash, the front view, and AB, the top view. You can extend this locus little this side. And friends, how to obtain this? This is very simple, friends. Whenever you have got the true length line, from the end of B, you write a line a vertical line till it touches the locus of the end A at this point. We'll call that point as 1. Now, taking A as center, A to 1 distance as radius, you can draw an arc, and that arc cuts the locus of this point B at point small b. Friends, we have got end A, we have got end B, and small AB represents the true length of the line. Sorry, it is the top view of the line. So I will just join this A and B and get the top view. If they ask you to find out what is the length of that, that can be done by keeping a scale and measuring that. Friends, you observed here, this end A, the front view of the end A and the top view, they lie on the same vertical line, that is A dash A line, and this is one of the end projectors. Friends, on the same line, we have got the end B, and we can write a line vertical through this point to meet the locus of the end B in the front view at point B dash. Now you observe A dash A lie on a vertical line. Similarly, B dash and B lie on another vertical line parallel to this. Friends, you can join A dash and B dash and obtain A dash B dash, the front view of the line. If you want, you can keep a scale and measure the distance if required. Friends, we have got the true length in the top view. After getting the true length, you can find out phi. Phi means the angle made by the line with the VP. Theta you have found out. And this will give you the complete projections of the line AB. Friends, in the second part of the question, we have been asked to find out what is the distance between the end projectors. I told you before, A dash A is one of the end projector, like B dash B is another end projector, and if we can measure the distance between these two parallel lines, it will give you DEP. DEP means distance between the end projectors. Friends, this is all in this today's video. I think you have followed the procedure I have used to obtain the projections of the line AB, whose true length and the loci of both the ends A and B were given. Please go through the complete video, and if you like this video, please share this with all your friends without fail. Have a blessed day. This is Dr. M. H. Chennaiya signing off.